Today we're going to look at how to replace the batteries in your Saffire LXI interconnected lock. Things you'll need: a T10 screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and 3 AA batteries. Don't want to use rechargeable or lithium ion here, you just want standard 3 AA batteries. So I've got my lock here. This is all black, kind of nice looking lock. You see the interconnect, we've got the larger housing on the inside. I've got 2 screws here at the top that I've got to pop this cover off to get to. Forgot you also need a flathead screwdriver just to get that cover off. So there's a little slot there, I just pop that off. And then I've got my T10 down here at the bottom I've got to take out. So because I've got this block in my way, you won't have that issue at your site, but I'm gonna flip my door upside down and just pull this screw out real quick. Again, that's just a T10. Flip this back over where you can see it. All right, now I've just got to take these 2 screws out of the top. Again, they're just Phillips head screws. I'm going to take this cover, pull it off, and I'm just going to swing it out of the way. This S&N lever actually keeps the cover from coming off all the way. So I'm just going to swing it down out of the way real carefully so I don't scratch my paint. I'm going to take and pull these 3 batteries out. It's a little easier if you use some kind of tool to kind of wedge in there a little bit at the edges just to pull them out. I'm going to dispose of them properly. Take my new batteries, put them in. I hear the lock power up. I'm going to go ahead and bring my cover up. Just line it up on my lock here. I'm going to go ahead and test my lock real quick before I waste any time putting screws in. Read my card. It's working fine. Turn it back around where you can see it. Got these 2 screws at the top to put back in. Again, these are Phillips heads. Just run them in all the way. I'm going to take that little cover, put the bottom in first, then swing the top in. Now I've got to put that screw in the bottom. And again, magic of television, I can flip my door upside down. I'm going to run that screw in with my T10 driver. And that's it. My batteries are replaced. My lock is working, ready to go. My inside thumb turn works properly and all. That's how you replace the batteries on the LXI. Thank you.